Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the bar for the youth, Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings of the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First. You see? Yes, I feel brave this morning. You don't know. And I think about the whole thing and just feel like so today is a ideal day for make a proposition. You see what I say? Anyway, welcome all viewers and subscribers. You see it? You don't know. As a single man, you know, you don't know. You have to think about the whole thing and put the whole thing together. You know, see, that one you have a short boss. See, Kartel wife. Yeah, I propose to her. Not because I'm single and not have nobody. I mean, live. You don't know. That because I'm not. No, not like that. All right. Welcome all viewers and subscribers. See? And if you happen for just a pass through and you like the thing, you don't know, subscribe. See? I'm going to get into it speedily. I want to propose to Shorty. See? Man feel brave to the start. You know, see it? No disrespect to the general. General lock up and thing like that. And general, you know, see it? Yeah. So Shorty, you are going here no more. And I have a proposition for that. You know, see it? Mad love for your mama. See? And respect. You know, see it? Yeah. I have utmost admiration for you. You know, see it? Your professionalism, your mother. The way you know what I say, the way you deal with yourself, your children them as a mother and things like that, and the way you deal with your husband most of all. You know, see it? So this is the proposition. You know, see it? This is an idea. See, but more my 10% in a Rasta when the thing goes so vroop in a shot. Nah, tell her like that you are going. Buy up some land, buy a piece of land, 5 now 1 acre or 2 acre, whatever, and try a little thing quickly. You see, secretly make a whole man and make a connection outside of yourself. Go scrape up some land somewhere, close, more than likely on a hillside still. You know, see, more advise if you go more west, like you know, western side of Jamaica. See, get some of them land there. Countryside, hillside, it no matter. At land where nobody you have a great prospect. Like you want me, you know. A weed we go plant, you know. See, even before you get the land, more you go register yourself. Pay the money where them a charge for the weed business and get your weed license, mama. See, because you don't know them stronger poor people out there. See, and if you don't mind sharp, them take where the blackness from it too. You know, see, if you don't mind sharp, them take it away even from Jamaica. See, I mean, know your husband in a prison right now and him not really love what go on with the weed thing. You know, see, the man they are weed connoisseur from long time. It's not like when I jump on the bandwagon. Remember from the early days when the man just bust the man sing a tune. First thing me do when me wake up, sell I agree for, but I agree for me nerves first. You know, see it. So, a long time, the man, on a brand, a campaign for the progression of weed in Jamaica, even before it popular. You know, see, even when it was unpopular and could be damaging to on a career, on a brand, you know, see it, and still jump on it and I push it same way. See? So, I mean, yeah, you know, see it. And I deserve phone a bit. And again, let me say phone a bit, the fight still. And you know, see it, cause like I say, them use price and price out poor people. See? But here the idea, mama, don't go nowhere. See? Cause don't just listen what I say. It might sound stupid, but see, you don't even have to do nothing, you know, all you have to do have the license. I show you. You don't even have to watch the farm and supervise nothing. I have it. Listen to the plan. See? See, a long time, yeah, I mean, watch ya. All right. Y'all don't look on it like say anybody can do it and everybody are going to do it and it are going to stretch out or whatever rate it. And every poor man can do it. And be a white people are going to soon start doing it. Be a foreign people, a foreign company are going to start run the thing and thing like that. I have more power in the thing. See, you see, and youth have to lead out or follow out behind them. See? But here what now, here what you're going to do for our little Jamaica now. See? You're going to use your power, your publicity and everything. See? And enable the youth them or your product with your pulling power where you don't really need nobody to advertise your thing or sell your thing for you or promote your thing or push your thing. You don't have the whole of them there already. You know, see it? So you're going to use the people them now, the poor struggling people, and make them do for them share of the work. You know, see, you done the your share, that the general done the film share, and music. You know, see it? Look here. Vybez CBD oil from Kartel. Can you imagine that? No, boy, I can't touch that, you know. I've found a brand that, you know, they don't copyright it, you know. vybez. See? From Kartel. See? You see, most people in the world, them love taboo. See? Cartel taboo with drugs business and drugs across the world. I mean, our Vybez Kartel, you know, the cartel name with drugs and Colombian and the whole cocaine thing and rate is very taboo. You know, see, and there is no way, shape, or form where anybody in a society can associate or, you know, with that taboo. You know, see, you break it, you know, because be people in a society and all about after you use CBD oil now and certain things for against certain complain, you know, see, look it up. Mama, I know you good and know, because I know you're not stupid, you know. See, what if people use it? So them all feel like, you know, we're relatable with that side of things are them set of people without being blamed or being looked at any sort of way. You have something, a brand in your house, a box by your shelf mark from Kartel. You know, see, it's like, I don't know, I'm a good at think. I'm good at, you don't know, you see, but me I say, yeah, there is no, I don't think there is anybody else right now we can sell CBD oil or any ganja product like your brand can. You know, but I'm 10%, you know, more, you know, see, because again, me have more for offer, you know, you see, and I just that, me have a land can offer too, you know, see, but here the prospect, again, where you don't even, you go to take so well and you have to go out there, watch farmer, you know, people farmer, thing like that. No, see, you go, diversify the thing in our way. Put it away, put it simple. See? Because my father, you know, my father used to work with CB's Best Dressed Chicken. I saw the thing come back to me, you know. My father used to work with Drive for Best Dressed Chicken. See? And then when my father is like, he might pick up bulk chicken from big farm. See? You know, like I pick up a whole cube, a big cube we can load a truck. I just saw him used to, them with it. Where the CBs are best dressed, you know which one of them, and them where them used to buy chicken in a bulk. You know, see, from farmer, local farmer. You know, see. So my father observed that and I said, but what you get up people can't even break in on that chain here. You know, see. My father come up with an ingenious plan, him go sit down with him boss and I make them know, so watch a man. I register myself as a supplier such and such and such because it would have been easier for an employee to access them level there. You know, see, recommendation and everything, you know, see. So, alright, them work, my father stung with them and them way up where location, the way up them there, thing like that. Because Warieka you live and you know a gradient that it's hard for set up a cube of that magnitude. You know, see. So what my father do is make them know, so watch a man, I look at all of my neighbor them. See, 300 people, we can reason with them, you know, we are reason and make them know, so each man can make a cube, we can raise up to 25, 50 or so chicken per feeding place. You know, see, and that was the idea, and CBs are best dressed, any one of them, they love it. And I say, yeah, at least we can spread out, we can make the ghetto, we can enable the ghetto, our poorer part, because you don't know, be rich people can build the big coop them. You know, see, and the ghetto people buy the chicken. You know, see, so whoever CBs are, see it as a good prospect for us, say, yeah, we can get, yeah, do that. Seeing and father go up and organize with Warieka people and everybody start grow 25 chicken. You know, see it. And at the end, when everybody chicken come in down, them just kill up, everybody kill up. You just see it. And box up and package off a package and my father just pick them up and carry them, go sell them back to CB's bulk. or best just any one of them. You know, see it, and care back everybody money come split up, give them. You see where me I go with this shorty. You know, see, once you have the license, you can just go some up and just go. A Warieka more want to go with it. No, I have Warieka first more want to go with it. So you want more free land than that. With the people who live up the same way. You can imagine everybody a plant 10, 20 ganja tree in them yard. CBD ganja, we not plant the one them where them say smoke and you know me. And you know me I deal with mama. You know, see. You can imagine you have all Warieka people apply for them ganja and I can't come sell it back to you or I can't come give you for sell. You know, put out nothing to them, you know. And I like say I weep and I a security or I put out your bust your brain. And me I tell you so right now if you want to go. Remember, Browning still there, you know, see it. I will link you see him, you know, you don't know, you know, mama, don't forget the thing how far where I come from. You know, see, you can't lose the link connection there. You know, see it, I just a meeting and you can have the relevant authority figures them. You know, I give credit to your team. You know, see it. I support the thing in a way, at least in a way where it make it you already legitimize it anyway, because you know you're a registered farmer. You know, see it, mama. You know, take nothing. You know, see it and out of love and respect to the way I see you deal with the children and everything. Me know in a short idea, you know. Me know in a short of that. You know, see, but you're a boss. You know, see it. And it's a good gift that for hand over to your husband when him come. It's like you give him a big split for the best weed because him a come start that. Him have to come start that. Vybez Kartel and I eat that. Vybez Kartel now sit down there and make them boy take away him prospect. Take away weed from take away weed from him. No, you know, see it. I'm surprised you don't have that publicly already still. Because it's even vibes wrong, you know. See, from the idea and the energy where that pull in, you know, see, that is an indication. I feel like saying that on this already, you know, but I still put my pitch in the moment and say, I want my 10% because I can guarantee some Warieka people and will grow the weed for you. You know, see. You don't know. It's not about greed or anything like that. Ideas, mama. You know, see it. And it's workable. You know, see it. And if somebody local, but ingenious to the whole foundation of the development don't have a hole in this game here where they are trying to play with out, huh? We'll just get played out, mama. We'll just get played out. You know, see it. I mean, no cartel would have, no, the general would have apply himself. You know, with the idea that it can't happen, mama. If them no want allow, they can't stop getting you from it legal for you grow a certain amount of ganja tree in your yard anyway. You know, see, and a Warieka a lot. A man can grow it outside of yard. Police go on like him want, and my one, no know for one officer, them just grow wild. And police, you not grow the bud weed with smoke, you know, another weed that them want. For make the CBD island, them thing, so even a hemp, it's illegal anyway. You know, see it. No, you know, see it, mama. And them thing that nobody now have watch them and I do this and I do that for cure them. All they have to do is water them and make sure it's a certain type of bush and certain things that grow, come stifle them. You know me, I say, mommy, it can't happen. The ganja in a desperate state of affair. It actually out of our hands. You know, see, we are claw back right now. You know, see, that's why I come to you with that proposition here. You know, see, that's why I come to you with this moment. You know, see, you don't know. If you don't want to give me the 10%, I don't know. You know, we're not bad. I don't know. We just want to get you to eat, and my whole community to eat. We don't talk about the 10%. The 10%. You don't know, mama. You know, see, you don't give me my 10%. I want to tell you, the cartel bus 5 tune the other day, we are 20%. 20%. So keep the idea there. You know, see it. Run with that. You know, see it. Yeah. Love what the general do. But love what the general do with 5 tune when the general drop the other day. I can sing and him sing one boy you to star. Selassie. You see the dog. No man not perfect. No man not perfect. And whoever demand perfection, a devil. You see it. Yes, mama. That's my proposition still. You know, see, no enough people think so. You know, enough people think so well then. That's something where you think more already or something where you can't really tell. But me no business. I'm a naga there as long as and then you know me I say, cause I'm not hear nothing and them think they're not where like so well then them idea they're not where nobody can take away. You know see, cause like me say the bottom line is the brand. See? Vybez CBD oil are beer vibes that I bring, you know. The people that we take it need a vibes, you know. Because most of them have Parkinson and them little thing there and them a shake all day. And them little way there, you know, see. And then now, you Vybez CBD oil from Kartel. Oh, that just sell. Me not tell a lie. Me not tell a lie. You know, see it, mama. And that, but you know, see it. And that bigger than, I feel like that all, it's profitable. Like your music, or probably even more. I mean, why you stop your music, you know? You do good, you see it. But as a side project, you can do it on a smaller scale and see. You can do it on a smaller scale and see the right name there. See, keep the license if it's too hassling and hackling for you. But get the license from now while it is at this price. It might get cheaper later on, but everybody turn a blind eye and make no argument in regards to where the price I go and with the license fee and them type of thing there, or them a price out get to people. You know, see it, so them gonna get to with it and it gonna remain that way, because everybody get to people sit down there and act like so them accept that, while them it affect the most. So me I say, them diminish get to people power and reasonability so much as get to people they know when they know for Warieka again when them get abused. You know, see them rather them blame themselves. You know, it's a tragic state. But yeah, I saw it go. You know, see, so I come to you with a idea from the ghetto mama how you can do something and help you out too. You know, see it, and no strain by yourself, no stress by yourself where yeah, cost nobody, nothing. You know, see it, you just pay for your license. Like me say, if it's too stressful, go on, put it down till the general come. You know, see it. Because I want to tell you, say, you have the license and the general just make 2 calls and the whole thing start work. And you not do nothing. That's how it go. Kartel make 2 calls out of Rockfort, Warieka Hill green with ganja. And I phone one and nobody can touch it and nobody not fit there with no a guard it. That just law, man. We not ask somebody that, man. Nobody can stop that, man. I tell you, man. Any boys try to stop that, man. Nobody can try to stop that, man. I want you them hungry, you know, mama. You know, see it on the big land space there. The big old open land there. Prime ganja grown because it just day in the sun, so you know see it. You know see it. And all you good have to do is you not have to worry about nothing else neither. You know see it, I work just like going on a site, go do some work and get certain amount of money a week time. I saw them just carry them water, go up to go water, the thing them. You know see it at daytime. I feel them work, I feel them work site that. And that are less strain and stress than you know see because at the end of the day. Same so, time after time, man them can organize, get a water truck, carry the water, come to a certain distance, and then them take it from there so, and carry go water them plant Rasta. Because you have driving road up there, you have it up there accessible like that. You know see, it's not like just like how you see that big hill gone. No, you have road where drive go up the side, round, not round the hill, you know, but on the side of the hill, go right up to the top. The top is a different argument, again, different subject, all to complete when it come on to planting ganja. Because a big wasteland up there, mama. You know, see that the youth, them would have benefit, the youth, them would have, we are talking about right cross east. And we not left out Mountain View youth, them. We not left out Backbush youth, them, and we not left out Jakes Road youth, them, neither. You know, see, because them have to get a slice of the pudding. McGregor Gully, the whole east. Because we know the chart, a hot stepping thing. You know, see it, and if I don't say it, I go work, mama. You know, see it. Yeah, you know, see it. Every man in that east, every corner, I forget for them little, I'll Kirk too. Up the big enough for each man go that care, every corner go that care and get all like acre. You know how much you think a simple money that, eh? And then a great thing when I'm working on one man, mummy. That's why you are going to operate it. See, cause no boy can't come to you and tell you say he want to sell you 10 acre. See, no bother with that. So if you have 10 acre water land, I better you just share it up, and make everybody can sell an acre. See, and if you have 10 acre water land up there, and I go like you want to use badness and hold it down. See, we just don't take none of your hands. See, I just say it go. The whole thing set by a principle set from beginning where I saw it have to operate and the badness can't come in. See, the bottom line, it's a principle of the thing in Jamaica in enough cases. See, it's the man them wants to set and maintain the principle. Them no. See, them just make things slide sometimes. See, but you're mother. See, I know you can't set it. See, that if you need for talk for further, you set the things. Scientifically, whereby no boy can't go against it or even blame you for the policy them or the principle of the business. See, because I don't know particular partisan type thing neither. See, but I hope you catch me drift, mama. See, and I just a thing where I think about and I know it can work and I know it now costing nothing. See, get the license then. Don't do that with it. But it's good if you get the license from now. That means when them start with them Habaloo, see it, the empire, not even the empire, but Portmore Empire, Cartel won it, innit? Or the Gaza, whichever, see it, have a play, have a license in the business. See, cause nobody else now do not Rasta. See, nobody else nobody they even see budget they even pay that no man. Sizzler, Capleton, them look like them they even pay the ganja market no man. It's like them just the one side and attack what Babylon do, rather than challenge what Babylon do. See, like them are just an echo. Like them just announce the wickedness when them happen each day. See it. No, see, like no great challenge. Like the man them just relax. See it and allow things make it go. I mean I don't know, but see it. But I think like the ganja thing. I mean, the man them should have march. The man them should have organized some serious ghetto youth for march and so the ghetto youth them would have get a bit of hope, see a sense of hope, and start entertain some pride amongst themselves. See, develop back some self-esteem and at least we not forget war today because we had a meds. We know say anyhow we start war, we are gonna set back a ganja program and all our program we could have drop all $1 million a month on the corner. See it, from a little patch of weed. See it, and every man I grow them weed same way and I eat. See it. So at them little thing there. I mean no sense of me we are smoke and that. I mean the hemp weed where them want to extract the CBD oil from to make the medicine where people need over here. See, most of them they go without THC or them process it without the THC and thing like that. See. Rasta should have organized some big serious march every day and a protest right across Jamaica for them immunity in terms of the business. Rasta suffer too much for slung one side and distracted by something else, or what else could I distract them? Rasta come like every man get a visa and cut. I saw the island feel since ganja got so up and legalized. Like the man them just quiet, the man them just love it again and gone, and them see the ramification. But it's another subject that for another day still. See, so give thanks. Share, like, and subscribe. So the short to get that one here. It's a high proposition to the short boss. See, enough respect, mama. Respect. Share, like, and subscribe.